Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter circulation and in that we are studying topic blood pressure. Now we all know that blood pressure is a pressure exerted by blood on the walls of arteries and capillaries. Let's study and find out about it today. We all have studied that in our daily life, people have problems like high BP, low BP, which is high blood pressure and low blood pressure, and they have to deal with them in day-to-day life. So what's this BP or blood pressure? Blood pressure is nothing but pressure that is exerted by the walls or that is exerted by the cells of your body, which is the blood cells of your body, on the walls or different pipelines of your blood, which could be arteries or capillaries. So whenever pressure is exerted on the arteries, it is known as arterial blood pressure, and whenever pressure is exerted on the veins by the blood components, it is called as venous blood pressure. Now this could be either systolic or diastolic depending upon the region. So blood pressure, or in simple language you say BP, it is a type of a force that is exerted by the blood on the walls of the blood vessel. Now whenever the force is exerted on artery, arterial blood pressure is aroused or arterial blood pressure is started, and when the pressure is on the veins, venous blood pressure is aroused. Now blood pressure can be detrimental when the blood flow is at high speed, which is termed as high BP, or when the blood flow is at low speed, low BP, you can have convulsions, you can have dizziness, low energy levels, inability to work. All such conditions are associated with blood pressure. So students, this was blood pressure and how it can have effect on both arteries as well as capillaries. I hope students, we all here are clear with this concept of blood pressure. Thank you.